After age 30, you start losing muscle up to 5% every decade. Not because you're lazy, it's just the natural aging process. This process is called sarcopenia. It is a age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and function, and it's more common than you think. Most people don't notice it until one day picking up groceries feels heavier or standing up takes a second longer. Here's the science. We lose up to 3-5% of our muscle mass every decade after 30, and after 60, it accelerates. For some, it's 8% muscle loss per decade, even faster if you're inactive, dealing with autoimmune issues or recovering from illness. But here's the good news. Regaining muscle doesn't mean living in the gym. It starts in your kitchen. We will discuss whole food strategies, plant-based options, all based on recent real clinical studies. Protein, it's the single most important nutrient for muscle repair. Recent studies show that adults, especially older ones, need more protein than we once thought, around 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight daily to maintain or gain muscle. A 2023 meta-analysis reviewed in seniors and found that with added protein, usually 20 to 40 grams per day, resulted in participants gaining more lean mass and even improved strength and mobility. Best protein source. Whey protein, great for leucine, eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, tempeh, soy milk for plant-based eaters. Lentils, beans, John, grind, combined for complete profiles. Note, spread protein evenly across 3-4 meals for optimal absorption and muscle protein synthesis. Let's talk about a remarkable science-backed supplement that significantly aids in regaining muscle mass. Creatine. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in your muscles and brain that helps your body produce quick energy. In recent research, 33 trials found that older adults taking creatine gained about 1 kilo of lean mass, improved strength in everyday tasks like standing up or climbing stairs. Whole food strategies. Another groundbreaking study conducted among homebound seniors who received high-protein snacks 34G daily and did light resistance training. After 12 weeks, their high-protein snack diet results in nearly 1 kilo of new muscle, 5.4 kilograms gain in hand grip strength, improved function walking, rising from chairs, etc. Example of high-protein snacks options is Power Greens Protein Omelet, 33 grams of protein au low, anti-inflammatory, gluten, dairy-free. Ingredients: 2 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1 cup cooked spinach or moringa leaves, 1 cup cooked broccoli, finely chopped. Spices: 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and cumin, pinch of black pepper and sea salt, 1 teaspoon olive oil or ghee. Instructions: prep the veggies. Lightly steam or saute broccoli and spinach. Moringa in a pan with a dash of olive oil or ghee. Set aside. Whisk the eggs. In a bowl, whisk together 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites. Add turmeric, cumin, salt, and pepper. Cook the omelet. Pour egg mixture into a lightly greased pan. Cook on medium heat until edges begin to set. Add the filling. Add cooked greens, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds to 1/2 of the omelet. Fold and finish. Fold over the omelet, cook for another minute, and serve warm. Plant-based diets for muscle gain. If you're on a plant-based diet and worried about getting enough protein, you're not alone. But the good news is, you absolutely can meet your protein needs with the right foods and combinations. Key is to combine protein sources as per below suggestion. Legumes plus grains. Soy plus seeds. Plant protein powders. Pea, rice, soy. Example of high protein vegan option is Healing Power Bowl with 34 grams of plant protein. Cooked lentils, 1 cup. Cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup. Steamed broccoli, 1 cup. Hemp seeds, 3 tablespoons. Olive oil, -1 teaspoon. Optional. Spices, turmeric, cumin, black pepper to taste. Cooking instruction. Cook lentils and quinoa can be made ahead. Steam broccoli until tender, but still bright green. In a bowl, layer quinoa, lentils, and broccoli. Top with hemp seeds, a drizzle of olive oil, and anti-inflammatory spices, turmeric, cumin, pepper. Add herbs, lemon juice, and a touch of nutritional yeast if desired. Muscle isn't just for athletes. It's your body's strength, stability, and freedom. And you can start rebuilding it right now. While protein is essential for building muscle, other nutrients and food types also play critical supporting roles in muscle growth, recovery, and energy production. Here are non-protein focused foods that support muscle mass. 1. Complex carbohydrates, fuel for workouts and recovery. Carbs help replenish glycogen stores in muscles and prevent muscle breakdown. Sweet potatoes, brown rice, oats, whole grain bread or pasta. Fruits, bananas, berries, oranges. 2. Healthy fats, hormone support, reduce inflammation. Fats support testosterone levels and joint health, both important for muscle growth. Avocados, olive oil, nuts and seeds, almonds, flax seeds, chia, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, also good for anti-inflammation. 3. Micronutrient-rich vegetables for muscle function and recovery. Vitamins and minerals aid in nerve transmission, muscle contraction, and tissue repair. Spinach, magnesium, and iron. Kale, calcium, and antioxidants. Broccoli, vitamin C, and fiber. Beets, improve blood flow and endurance. 4. Bone and joint support foods. Muscle function depends on healthy bones and connective tissue. Bone broth, collagen, glycine, milk or fortified plant milks, calcium, vitamin D. Egg yolks, vitamin D and choline. 5. Functional foods and supplements. Creatine from red meat or supplement increases strength and muscle volume. Turmeric, curcumin, anti-inflammatory, helps recovery. Fermented foods like kimchi, yogurt, gut health affects nutrient absorption. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on ancient health wisdom